Some days feel harder than before. Still I keep knocking on that door. The road is long, the climb is steep, but I won't let go of what I see. The world says wait, my heart says go. Holding on to my dream, oh, holding on through the rain, holding on to my dream through the struggle and pain. One day I'll see what I believe. The years go by, I'm still trying, a little tired but still fighting. I may be slow, but I'm not done. My story's far from over now. I still have hope deep inside, holding on to my dream, holding on through the rain, holding on to my dream through the struggle and pain. One day I'll see what I believe, still believing, still holding on. Holding on to my dream, holding on through the rain, holding on to my dream through the struggle and pain. One day I'll see what I believe. Still believing. Yeah, keep moving. Ooh, yeah, keep moving. Some roads are rough, some roads are long. Still I keep traveling on. I've seen dark clouds fill the sky, but hope won't let my spirit die. When I feel weak, it lifts me up. Hope keeps me moving, hope keeps me strong. When the nights get cold, I keep holding on. Hope keeps me moving, strong. When the nights get cold, I keep holding on. Hope keeps me moving through it all. Keep believing. Keep moving on. Yeah. Step by step. May not be where I wanna be, but I'm not where I used to be. Every mile along this road makes me stronger as I go. I keep climbing, keep believing. One step closer every day. One step closer on my way. The dream feels far, but I won't stray. One step closer every day. Some doors close, some doors open. Some hearts break, some stay hoping. I learned patience through the years. I won't stop because of fear. The road is tough, but I'm still here. One step closer every day. One step closer on my way. The dream feels far, but I won't stray. One step closer every day. Step by step. Day by day. I'm on my way. Yeah. Step by step. Wake up early, hit the road, carrying another heavy load. Some days tough, some days slow, but I know where I want to go. I can't stop now. I've come too far. Working for a better tomorrow. Giving all I've got today. Working for a better tomorrow. Trying to find a one more sunrise, one more chance, working for a better tomorrow, giving all I've got today, working for a better tomorrow, trying to find a better way. The road is long, but I'm moving on. Tomorrow's coming, I'm still running, I'm still running, I'm still running. Yeah. Still alive. There were times I almost quit, times I thought that this was it, but deep inside I found the fire that kept taking me higher. I've come too far to turn around. The dream is still alive, burning deep inside. The dream is still alive, and I won't let it die, no matter how hard I try. The dream is still alive. The road was long, the nights were cold, but I held on and kept my soul. Every step, every sacrifice brought me closer to this light. I still believe, I still have faith. The dream is still alive, burning deep inside. The dream is still alive, and I